Hi, it's Lynette here, and today I've got a home bargains haul for you. I'm absolutely freezing. I put a jumper on, but this house just isn't seeming to heat up at all today. So yeah, made sure all the windows are shut and everything, got the heating on. So yeah, I think I might need to add another layer at some point. It's cosy in the living room, but I've shut all the doors. Okay, just had to share that, it was cold. So anyway, here goes. I'm going to dive into the bag. So, yep. We were, I had to go and pick up some cleaning bits and pieces, so I picked up some other bits. It's mainly household, to be honest with you. So this is one of my favourites for cleaning. It's Sillet Bang, and it's the bleach and hygiene. It's really good. I usually try and make sure I'm wearing gloves when I wear this because it is a bleach cleaner. But fantastic. If you've got any kind of light mouldy bits or stainy bits, it's good for getting those off. It's not actually a mould cleaner. They do the black mould one, but it is good if you can see little bits forming. I just spray that on and leave it. Fantastic stuff. I clean my dish rack with that as well. I just spray it on it and leave it and then rinse it off. So I picked up these HB pencils with grips, and they're for someone who has dysgraphia, and dysgraphia can cause you to have difficulty writing. So I thought these grips might help. I don't know. I'm actually looking for the Stabilo pen that we used to have years ago, but I've not found any in the shops. I need to look online for that. Now, I picked up a pack of bamboo skewers, and I actually had skewers and I was hunting high and low, and then I thought I've actually probably binned the skewers before we moved because the packet was open, and I thought we've got a chimney and I bought marshmallows, and I thought I would love to roast them over the chimney, but you really do need something long that you're not kind of going too close to it. So I picked those up. I always find skewers, soak them in a wee bit of water before you use them on the barbecue or anything, and it can stop them from going alight. What have I got next? Oh, so these are new products that I haven't tried before. I always buy wipes to clean the toilet with so I can throw them away, never flush. And I picked up these, so it's blue toilet and bathroom multi-surface wipes in Sweet Apple, and it's a larger wipe. It's 4-in-1, helps prevent lime scale, cuts through dirt, streak-free cleaning, and removes soap scum. So there's 36 wipes in there, and I think that was about £1. And I picked up Parazone. Now I use the Parazone bleach, it's really good. So Fresh Lemon Parazone toilet wipes. Again, it says they're larger wipes and you get 40 there. So I thought I would try those. I love the fact it says this product is not for personal hygiene use. Yeah, don't put that near anywhere personal. I also picked up these wipes. Now, I use floor wipes. I've got the Flash Floor mop that has the wipes in it. And I use floor wipes for the bathroom floor. However, it can leave it really streaky looking, and it doesn't matter what I do. So I thought I'll pick up the Dettol ones. I don't know if they're big enough to use with the Flash mop thing, but I can always go down on my hands and knees. But I'm really hoping, so antibiotic resistant MRSA, proven to kill, which is really good. But I'm really hoping that it doesn't leave the tiles streaky. So it says suitable for vinyl, linoleum, glazed tiles, sealed wooden floors. It tells you where it's not suitable for. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying these, and hopefully it tells you here how to use it with a mop, broom, hand. So yeah, that's really good. So I probably would get away with using that with my Flash wipe mop thing that I've got. You just pop the wipe in, but they're quite thick, the Flash ones, but I think you can do it with any large floor wipe. So I'm going to try that again, bin them. I know it seems quite wasteful, however I do use a mop, but I just don't like using a mop in the bathroom. Yeah, just something about it freaks me out. I'm probably a weirdo. I picked up my coffee, Dow Egbert's Pure Gold Medium Roast. This was $4.99, and I always pick it up when I see it on offer because it goes up to about $7.99. So yeah, I only ever buy it when it's £5, and we go through a lot of coffee in this house, so I pick it up. I picked up a couple of deodorants for Steve. The Right Guard Extreme Cool. That was only £1, but the Mitchum Men, which is really good, triple odour defence, that was £1.49. I really like Mitchum. And what else have we got here? Oh, I've run out of mousse. So I had picked up the Wella Shockwaves volume. So it's not the Curls and Waves one that I usually buy, but it was under £2. So I picked it up because I thought better that than none. What else did I get? Oh, so yesterday I went to Pound Stretchers and I filmed a wee haul. But what I discovered is Pound Stretchers is a lot more expensive than Home Bargains for some of the things that I have picked up that I saw in store. So, see if I can find it here. If I can find the receipt. Yeah, I can't find the receipt. But this was about £5 in Pound Stretcher yesterday, but I think it was only £2.99 or something. So it's the Epsom salts. So it's Epsom salts with lavender and jasmine to help you drift into a peaceful night's sleep. And it's got valerian added. Now valerian root's really good to help you sleep, but you can't take it if you're on antidepressants. But I don't know if there would be any contraindications with using it in your bath. I'm not sure. You want to check that first, but I just thought this would be really good. So it's got magnesium, which is really good for sore muscles, and because I have chronic pain, magnesium's really good. I take magnesium in a supplement, but it's also really good to get it through the Epsom salts, essential oils to calm and soothe, and valerian to promote peaceful sleep. So it's saying here, here's a sleep hack. So the blue light disturbs sleep. Fact, so turn off those screens and dim the lights. Ideally use candlelight in the bathroom. No, don't do that. I'd be worried I'd set my house afire. And a soothing pink salt lamp in your bedroom. So you can actually change your phones so that you get rid of the blue light. I've got it set on my phone to change at about 9 o'clock at night. My son showed me how to do that, but I think you can do it on most smartphones. So the blue light, any light actually, even waking up and opening up your fridge, or looking at your phone, it can disturb your sleep. But ideally get rid of that blue light. It says reduce your screen time, but if you're like me, I'm on my phone till last thing at night. Anyway, so yeah, one of the boys did that for me. They changed it. So I picked up some Dove, it was limited edition, Winter Care Moisturising Cream, Jasmine and Powder Scent. It's got no alcohol in it, but it is an antiperspirant. So yep, I like Dove. It's always kind to your skin. Steve bought me this fantastic foot product. It's a mat, right, and you pop your feet on it and it sends different kind of pulses through your feet and up into your legs, but it requires these AAAs, so I kept pinching them from the remote control to try it. So I went and bought some Duracell. The cheap ones were £2 and these were I think £3.99, so I thought, for an extra £2 these will last. I think sometimes you're better paying a wee bit more. So yeah, I really do like Duracell batteries. So yep, the WeeFoot thing, I'll be popping my feet on it. I get a lot of pain in my legs, always have. It's really bad if I get cold as well, so in the winter the pains in my legs are really bad. I remember sitting on a desk one time and there was a vent below it, and I would go home in tears. The pain was so bad, but it's almost like a kind of cramp, but in my calves that I get. So this pad that you put your feet on, I'm imagining I'm putting my feet on it here, you put your feet on it, you press the program and it kind of pulses, and then it does different bits and pieces, but it travels up to my calves. So when my legs are really sore, I can do that as well. The other thing I do when my legs are really sore is go for a bath. The heat seems to help, but yeah, you've got to come out of the bath and then it kicks off again. So I'm really hoping it helps, because in the winter it can keep me up, that pain in my legs, even with the amount of painkillers I'm on. You wouldn't believe it. Oh, so this was something that Steve picked up. It's coarse ground black pepper. We've got pepper grinders, but sometimes you just want to put in a good amount of pepper and you don't want to be cracking the grinder. So we picked that up for that. It's Kerala, and their spices are really cheap. They had ground cumin and things for 49p. So if you're needing your spices, pop in. What else did I get? Oh, my interdental brushes. I did tell you my Primark ones were a fail. I managed one tooth and they were breaking, so I thought it's just a waste of money actually. I think these are about £2.49, and I picked up the extra fine ones. You can actually buy bamboo ones, and I think I'm going to try the bamboo ones next, actually, because they're more environmentally friendly. They're more expensive and you get less, but if they're okay, I'll pick them up. So I picked up this, you think I would have enough hand cream. I picked up this argan oil intensive hand cream with pro vitamin B5 for dry hands. My hands are really dry at the moment. I imagine everybody's the same, but I just wanted this to see if this really was intensive, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it on my hands at night and see if I can find, I think I've got cotton gloves somewhere, see if I can find some cotton gloves and pop that on at night. Last but not least, well, I've got the Rennies. I've actually taken out some bits and pieces that I got for Steve, like crisps and things like that. I thought nobody wants to see that. But I picked up this packet of Fineliners. So I actually had a similar set at work. I think it was Stabilo, and they were really expensive. So I do like a coloured pen. In fact, I bought these at Tesco the other day there, and they're just sitting beside me in my room. So I've got to put them away somewhere on my desk. So yep, that was my Home Bargains haul. It was kind of, as I say, it was kind of mainly household stuff, but I thought I would pop on and show you. I think I might be doing a video, which might already be up, just kind of like what I'm going to be doing in the new year and the channel and things like that. But I don't know when this video is going to be up, so that's probably already gone up. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all your support, and take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.